Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful day so far. Right now, it is a whopping 84 degrees out and it is a very sunny day with hardly any clouds at all. As July rolls in, people are getting ready for the 4th of July, which is coming in just a few days. I hope you guys are excited, because I sure am. There have also been a lot of people visiting the beach due to it being very hot out today, so if you haven't visited the beach yet, today would be a great day to do so. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department and the Miami Beach Coast Guard. There have been many reports of strange activity happening in the ocean at Miami Beach. When authorities went to investigate it, they found that there were turbulent waves in the more deeper areas of the ocean. It is currently unknown what could be causing these waves, but authorities are looking further into it. Due to this, the beach has been temporarily closed off until the situation is under control. All residents in Miami are advised to keep away from the Miami beach, but otherwise, you can continue with your daily lives. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department and the Miami Beach Coast Guard. More information on the situation at the beach has been obtained. It has been discovered that there were a bunch of fish-like creatures swimming around the area where the waves were coming from. It is unknown what exactly these creatures are, because authorities could only see the tail fin. However, authorities think that it might be just a bunch of big fish swimming around, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are strongly advised to not go near the beach for any reason. You are welcome to continue with your daily lives, but proceed with caution. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department and the Miami Beach Coast Guard. All residents in Miami, return home immediately. It has been reported that the fish that were causing the waves are not regular fish, but fish like people, pretty much like mermaids. These creatures were seen embarking from the deeper waters and heading towards the shore. It is unknown what they might do, but all residents are strongly advised to return home for your safety. Do not leave your home for any reason unless it is an emergency. Doing so otherwise can put you at risk. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information on this situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. The mermaid creatures that were reported 20 minutes ago have reached the shore, and have somehow risen from underwater and are now on land. They seem to be unaffected by the change in environment and are able to move around without any struggle despite being out of water. We managed to get a description of these mermaids after they left the sea. There are 7 of them, 4 of them are female, while 3 of them are male. They are children, appearing to be between the ages of 5 and 7. They each have different appearances of their own, which were laid out by authorities. The appearances are as follows. The first one is a biracial female, with pink hair, brown eyes, and a blue top and tail cover. The second one is a white male, with blue hair, blue eyes, and a green camo tail cover. The third one is a black male, with indigo hair, brown eyes, and a blue and purple tail cover. The fourth one is a white female, with blonde hair, blue eyes, and a yellow and orange polka dot top and tail cover. The fifth one is an Asian female, with lavender hair, brown eyes, and a purple and pink tail cover. The sixth one is a white male, with orange hair, green eyes, blue glasses, and a green tail fin. And the seventh and final one is a black female, with dark purple hair, brown eyes, and a pink tail cover. It is unknown what the intentions are, but the authorities are going to look into it. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. Authorities have been observing the mermaid children for about an hour or so, and have noticed some interesting things about them. After they embarked from the sea, they were seen chatting amongst one another, discussing about something related to what had happened. Then, they were seen leaving the beach area and heading towards the suburban area. When they arrived, they wandered around the area, seemingly exploring the place and taking in their surroundings. These children also seemed to have the ability to defy the laws of physics, as a few of them were seen swimming, as you would call it, up towards the roofs of certain buildings in the city. They also seemed to have the ability to manipulate their surroundings using electricity from different areas of the suburbs. They have caused alarm amongst residents in the area due to their capabilities and tendencies to mess around with equipment. All residents of Miami are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked as a precaution. If you see any of these children in your area, do not approach them as their intentions are currently unknown. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information on this highly unusual situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. More information about the mermaid children has been found. It has been discovered that the children aren't exactly mermaids, but they refer to themselves as guppies. We also have some possible names that were overheard by residents and authorities. The pink-haired girl that leads the group is referred to by Molly, The blue-haired boy that seems to be a helper of some sort refers to himself as Co, and two other guppies seem to answer to the names Gabi and Dima. It is currently unknown what the others' names are, but authorities are currently trying to find that out along with some more information. All residents are advised to stay indoors and to not venture outside unless it is an emergency. If you see any of the guppies near your area, please call your local police department and report their location. Do not approach them by any means as it is unknown what their intentions are. Continue to follow your local media outlets for more information on this situation.
Okay, we tracked down the Guppies' location. They should be somewhere around here.
I hope you're right, Charlie. I really want answers from them.
Me too, but remember, we have to be patient with them. They're children, so we need to be as easy with them as possible.
You're right, no matter how much we want answers, we need to remember that they're really young, so we can't be too harsh with them.
That's the spirit. Well, what are we waiting for? Let us do this.
Okay guys, game's over. Why don't you come with us and we can... What? They left?
That's strange. Well, guess we're gonna have to go after them.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. All of the Guppies have now been officially identified. Their names are Molly, Gil, Gabi, Dima, Una, Nani, and Zvule. They each resemble characters from the popular children's show, Bubble Guppies. Authorities are currently trying to find out how they got here, and how they were able to move around on land without any difficulty. Authorities have tried to talk with them to get answers, but all attempts have failed, as they either have left the area, or completely ignored them. It is unknown why they are acting strange, or why they are ignoring the people around them. These Guppies have continued to cause confusion and alarm amongst residents in the Miami area, and are also continuing to toy with materials within their surroundings. It is advised that all residents limit the use of appliances or technology as it may assist them in doing whatever they are doing. Only save those things for emergency purposes. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. About 5 minutes ago, there was a small explosion at an art museum in downtown Miami. It is unknown what exactly caused the explosion, but authorities are looking into it. All residents within a 1-mile radius of downtown Miami are advised to evacuate immediately, as the chemicals in the explosion could pose a threat to the public. Take all the essentials with you, and take one vehicle per family. The guppies were taken to an undisclosed location for their safety. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this potentially dangerous situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The situation at the Art Museum has been taken care of. It has been revealed that the explosion was caused by one of the guppies tampering with equipment there, which caused it to malfunction and eventually explode. We also have gathered information about how the guppies got here. Yesterday, the children's show therein, Bubble Guppies, aired its final episode, therefore concluding the series. That alone has caused a stir between their universe and our universe, resulting in a portal opening in the middle of the ocean at Miami Beach, which is why they were circling around that part of the ocean. They then exited out of the ocean, and started to look around their surroundings for things they could use to get back to their home, or to communicate with the residents over at their place. Which is why they were messing around with random things and interrogating civilians. This also reveals that they weren't intentionally harming anyone, but their actions have caused alarm amongst the people that live in Miami. They have realized their mistakes, and would like to make an apology to everyone in the city before heading back to their home. All residents may now return to their homes and go back to their daily lives. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this time. All normal programming may now resume.